The shadows of the golden sun. The shadows of the golden sun are immensely bright yet mild to burn, inviting us to race along them on a mighty tilt and a glowy turn. The rainbow descends in the mountains high, translucent, majestic, on the verge of the sky. I cannot but sense the meadows close by when the breeze of the valley climb up in spry. I reach up high where the clouds descend, floating along with me, carrying the trees' misty scent. I will surely return to witness mountains low, listening to the noisy pebbles, knowing all that there is to know. They will disclose us all in their loud clacky clatter, all those deep old strange long stories that actually do matter, that are waiting patiently for someone to be heard, decades old wax and wane that the nature do conquer. We will sing along with the birds the eternal songs of life, bring hope for a fresh new dawn, golden rays that glow so bright. The subtle and soothing presence of the giant hovering shadows, safe heavens for the resting hearts, causing joyful, blissful tornadoes. As the delight and the pleasure will increase, we will scribble on trees a love story. On the face of the gentle mild breeze, on the wings of the zephyrs airy, we will merge ourselves truly with the warm, deep colors of the trees. When we touch the yellows and the greens, feeling light so merrily free, we will sit by the soil on the land to replenish our souls with its hands, taking all in awe to breathe in all the fresh, remarkably so grand, singing song of the beautiful life, wearing its dust on our forehead. Though our feet will be immensely tired upon walking the path that we tread. Hope shining on the colorful horizons will bind us in a stronger, greater tie, as the rays of the deep golden sun will glow in the niche of our eyes.